Curtain Cinema for Merle Grove. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Yo, oh no wicked so. Look how uno the rose. John was star, not for mention them pitney there. Anyway, you know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So if for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know.
Feels cute, body right, girl, sexy, no fuck.
Good compliments, so you in a look.
Fat full of weight, so me you muscle up.
This I ever make you sing praises when we.
This song we you hear in the intro is a song by Criti and Safiyah. Song is entitled Best Pleasure. And people, we are going to talk about that song, because Criti tell me say him have a one challenge go on. And if you enter that challenge, you will get a chance to win $100. So if I'm like you, stay tuned to this review to find out how to win. But for now, make we play a little more of the song and then we go through the intro. Then we take a look at the stories.
Pretty than you give me the pleasure.
Tight when it up me like umbrella.
Me know if you ride this ledger, ma.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
So people, may I go start off this report with a bit of a bad news. Vice Principal for Kingston College, Juliet Wilson, has died this morning. Miss Wilson reportedly had COVID-19 along with underlying conditions. KC's principal advised the staff of her passing today. Now people, this are breaking news and it really sad that COVID something here, it'll get serious. I don't know if it's the effects of the September 3rd elections, don't really want to point no finger, but that social media kind of says still. I just want to say condolence goes out to the entire staff of the KC school, the students, and most definitely Miss Wilson family. In addition to that, a director at the office of the Prime Minister had also died this morning. Both Miss Wilson and the director has been diagnosed with COVID-19 and was admitted in the hospital. Not sure which hospital though. Yesterday, there were 7 other deaths, brought the total to 67. That's a death total. And the new cases were reported yesterday was 230, pushing the tally to 4,988, with 3,489 being active. Me just want to advise the subscriber them and anybody will listen to this, please and protect yourself while protecting others. Wear on a mask. If you don't have forgot place X, do not go to place X. Turn your yard. Make we move on. So yesterday, rumors started to circulate that Beenie Man was in police custody for throwing a party. Well, it's not necessarily a party still, It would more like be a night or a setup in Jamaican term, because Beenie Man mother passed away. But the reports were that Beenie Man hosted a setup with over 600 persons in attendance. And now the JCF, that are the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the police them, I said not like that never happened. Well, them never deny whether or not 600 persons was in attendance. But what they do said that Beenie Man was never in police custody. So me I go read the article here for you now. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is refuting reports that dancehall entertainer Moses Davis has been arrested for breaching of the coronavirus law. The coronavirus law, so them stop call it risk management or whatever. Anyway, he is not in police custody, and no, he wasn't, said Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, who heads the JCF Corporate Communications Unit. Several posts to contrary have been circulated on social media. SSP Lindsay explained that the police last night ended a gathering Davis was hosting in honor of his late mother because the number of people in attendance exceeded the amount allowed under the Disaster Risk Management Act. He was instructed to close it off. He did comply, and the fact that he complied, there would be no need to arrest him, Lindsay told the Gleaner. Following the elections, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that public gatherings were reduced to 15%, down from 20%. There's also an island-wide curfew running from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily. So people on the hear what going right this up. Beenie Man is not in police custody. Beenie Man was never in police custody, and nothing now go on with Beenie Man as in it relate to police. The police them just forward there and tell Beenie Man say, yo brother, better you lock it off right now, X, Y, and Z. And Beenie Man comply, and the police them get on their way and everybody happy. Now my condolence goes out to Beenie Man and his entire family, because me know say that dead something there under 2020 something later go on wicked, especially upon the dancehall artists them. If you know remember a few months ago, Shensia lost her mother and now Beenie Man lost his mother. So my condolence goes out to King Beenie Man.
Face cute body right, girl sexy no.
Good compliments so you in a look.
Fat full of weight so you muscle up.
This I ever make you sing praises when you.
Now we reach a part of the review where me know a lot of now wait pan. Yes, we are gonna review Criti's song, or we are gonna talk about Criti's song. Plus, we are gonna show you how to win the $100. First, me have to say that song you bad, Criti, the song bad. Safiyah, your voice bad, and you add a little compliment, something to the song. You add contrast to the song. You add something where we want hear to the song. Me not tell no lie, the song bad. You see me? That song you need a video doing. That song you it need a video. Criti, Safiyah, that song you need a video.
Yo, them for no say a Criti this wickedest. And me I represent for the challenger. Best pleasure challenge. You see me there? And there's just 4 simple steps for you to enter. You see me there? Step 1, click the link in my bio. Step 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step 3, like the song Best Pleasure. Step 4, comment on the contestant number in the comment section. The person with the most likes and the dear contestant number win $100. This challenge will just run for 1 week and 1 week only, and there can only be one winner. You see me there? And this is just the first part of the challenge, so make sure you enter and the challenge starts today. You see me there?
Pretty than you give me the pleasure.
Tight when it up me like umbrella.
Me know if you ride this ledger.
So a link will be placed in the description to the song and to Criti page and to Safiyah page. Someone who know subscribe to the page, right? Subscribe to Criti page and want to follow him over Instagram. Cause over there nice this day and over there you are going to enter the challenge, right? Right. So me know no want to win the $100 day. The $100 they would have do anybody good right now. So just do the right thing. And not to mention, yo, that song here bad. Me not tell a lie. All if outside it a keep and that song here playing at the party. The girl them just a wind up them body. Bad song Criti. Bad song Safiyah. And people, the big people them, you know say you can definitely do some of the bedroom things into the song here. Nothing wrong with that.
You wetter than a shower head, boy. Make me think me a good dead. Bruise up my make me a feel big. Make me can't feel for me legs.
So that is Best Pleasure with Criti Dan and Safiyah. Nah, telling a lie. That song they really bad. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way, the wrong way. And people, no one wanna tell me what you think about that song. And remember, more still want to go over the page, right? Remember, forget the $100. Yeah. Have to subscribe to Criti Dan page, and you have to follow Criti Dan and Safiyah on Instagram. Just watch back that video there and you will understand what for go on for get the $100 and all these things. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way. So any other way are the wrong way. My God.
You wetter than a shower head, boy. Make me think me a good dead. Bruise up my They make me a fi beg. Make me can't feel for me leg.